Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Canva AI. So go to Canva and select Canva AI here. So as you can see, there's a bunch of things you can make AI do, I guess. Design for me, create an image, draft a document, code for me, and create a video clip. The last one, you do need a pro feature for that. So for instance, I want Canva to design like a poster for, I don't know, Unity and Diversity Day, I don't know. Create a poster for Unity and Diversity Day. Then you're going to select design for me too, and then you're going to select either social media, presentation, marketing, etc., etc. You can choose, I'll choose social media for this, and you can choose the format, Facebook cover, post, Instagram story. I'm going to do Instagram story. Then I'm going to press the submit button. And it's going to take, maybe also like gather the colors you want Canva to use. And basically Canva can generate that. I'm not going to go full depth on the tutorial. Okay, I'm going to select with pictures of hands, different skin tones, make the colors very colorful. I don't know, but you have to let AI think first, I guess. But that is pretty much how you can use Canva AI. There's a bunch of other things you can use this for, obviously, like videos, but this is just an example. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.